Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.7, Problem 29. This is Section 1.7, Problem 29. It says there are 3 tennis balls in a can. Tammy, the terrific tennis player, is a professional athlete that claims she uses 2,000 tennis balls in a single season. How many cans of tennis balls would that be? So she uses 2,000 in one season, and there's 3 in each can. So what you have to do is 2,000 divided by 3. And if you have a calculator that you can use, you enter 2,000 divided by 3 equals, and you'll get the answer right away. Now, if you don't have a calculator and you want to do this problem by hand, what you need to do is 3 divides into 2,000 how many times? Well, the 3 won't fit into the 2, so we go for 3 goes into 20. 7 is a little bit too big. 7 times 3 is 21, so it's going to be 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. 2 is good because less than 3. So now bring down the next 0. The next digit to the right is a 0. And you get 20 again. So it's going to be the same situation. 3 will fit into 20 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. So now again, we do 20 minus 18 is 2. And there's one more 0 to the right. So I bring that down next to the 2. So again, I'm trying to fit 3 into 20. Again, it goes 6 times. 6 times 3, one more time, is 18. And when I subtract, I get a 2. So now there are no more digits to the right. So that 2 is a remainder. So the answer is 666 with a remainder of 2. Now at the store, they won't sell partial tennis cans. So if it comes down to how many cans of tennis balls is Tammy going to need to buy for the season, it would be 667. She will use 666 entire cans of tennis balls and have a little bit left over out of the 667th can.